Are you struggling to meet production targets due to slow or inefficient welding processes? Do you wish you could speed up sensor manufacturing without compromising on quality? Slow welding processes can delay production and increase costs, affecting your ability to meet deadlines. TATE temperature sensor welding machine increases efficiency without sacrificing quality. With its fast, precise welding technology, this machine delivers high-speed performance that ensures timely production. It's the machine of choice for global sensor manufacturers who rely on its reliability and speed to keep up with high-demand production schedules. Need faster production with flawless results? Let the TATE welding machine boost your productivity while maintaining exceptional welding quality.